Welcome to this guided meditation. Allow yourself to find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Make any adjustments necessary to ensure your body feels supported and at ease. Allow your hands to rest gently, their weight falling naturally, palms facing upwards towards the sky. Gently close your eyes, granting yourself the permission to focus inward. This is your time, a space created just for you. Begin by bringing your attention to your breath. Breathe in deeply, feeling the air as it courses through your nostrils, fills your lungs, expands your chest and your belly. Hold for a moment at the top of the breath, cherishing the vitality within you. Now exhale slowly, purposefully. Release the air, and with it, let any tension in your body and mind dissolve. Imagine the stress, worries, and thoughts leaving with the breath, being replaced by a deep sense of peace. Feel the surface beneath you. It could be the firmness of the earth, the softness of a cushion, or the steadiness of a chair. Let this surface support you, grounding you in this present moment. Notice its solidity. The surface beneath you is supporting you, holding you, a reassuring presence that whispers of stability and calm. Breathe in peace, welcoming tranquility into your body and mind. Breathe out tension, liberating any tightness, any resistance, allowing it to flow away. Allow each cycle of breath to further relax you, pulling you deeper into a state of peaceful awareness. You might bring your attention to each part of the body, starting with your toes, working your way up slowly, all the way to the crown of the head. As you focus on each body part, send it love, send it relaxation, allowing it to release and relax. You are here, fully present in this moment. There's nowhere else you need to be, nothing else you need to do. This time is for you. You are safe, secure, and imbued with an ever-deepening sense of tranquility. Feel your body and mind harmonize with the calming rhythm of your breath. Now gently shift your attention towards the center of your chest, the place where your heart chakra resides. This is your emotional core, a wellspring of love, compassion, and empathy. It is the bridge between your physical self and your spiritual self, the connection point of your body, mind, and spirit. You might imagine a warm, radiant light in the hue of the purest emerald resting in your heart center. It's the essence of life, the essence of love, a beacon of harmony glowing brightly within you. This emerald light represents your heart chakra, a swirling vortex of energy that governs your capacity for love and understanding. With every breath you take, this green light grows brighter. As you breathe in, it expands, its radiant light filling every corner of your heart every cell of your being. As you breathe out, it contracts, focusing its energy back to your heart center, nourishing it with love and compassion. With each expansion and contraction, let this energy cleanse any emotional pains, any barriers, any walls you've built around your heart. Feel it wash over the hurt, the fear, the misunderstandings, replacing them with love, empathy, and forgiveness. Take a moment to appreciate the strength of this love and the intensity of its compassion. It's not weak or passive, it's strong, active, and transformative. It doesn't shy away from pain, but embraces it, understanding that growth and healing come through love, through compassion. Breathe in love, filling your heart chakra with this powerful healing energy. Breathe out, sending this love out into the world, touching all those you meet. With every cycle of breath, deepen your connection with your heart chakra. Now visualize this vibrant emerald light radiating from your heart center, extending beyond your physical body. Feel it enveloping you, a sphere of pure love and compassion surrounding you. It reaches out to touch everything, transforming your environment with love and harmony. This sphere of light acts as a two-way channel. It not only radiates love, but also attracts it. Feel this pull, this magnetic attraction of love towards you. You are both a beacon and a magnet of love. You are in the flow of giving and receiving love, perfectly balanced. Take a moment to bask in this energy, this divine exchange. Feel the warmth of love, the cooling balm of compassion, and the healing touch of understanding. Remember, you are love, you are compassion, you are harmony. As you connect deeply with your heart chakra, you begin to feel the true essence of love. It's not just an emotion, but a state of being. It's being in a place of acceptance, of understanding, of compassion, not only for others, but also for yourself. Stay here for a moment in the sanctuary of your heart chakra, surrounded by the emerald light of love. Allow it to heal you, to transform you. You are love, you are compassion, and you have the power to bring this into every aspect of your life. As you breathe here, we will gradually start to draw the attention back to the body, feeling the surface beneath you, grounding you to the earth. Noticing the rhythm of your breath, the calm within you. May you carry this love, this peace with you as you gently open your eyes, returning to the world around you. Know that you can tap into the source of love anytime, anywhere. Thank you for this time, for your intention. You are love. You are peace. You are ready for whatever comes next. Breathe in, breathe out. And when you're ready, open your eyes.